Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the read and write speed test comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Poco F2 Pro device. As you can clearly see, friends, I'm using the Poco F2 Pro and here is the Realme X7 Pro device. The reason why I'm doing this test because nowadays we are seeing the mobile phones which are releasing with the UFS 3.0 and 3.1, and in this kind of generation right now with the premium features in the Realme X7 Pro, unfortunately the phone is coming with the UFS 2.1. so this is the 8 GB RAM variant. So maybe the next I think maybe 12 GB RAM variant might be different, but this 8 GB RAM, my unit is unfortunately coming with a UFS 2.1. So let's see how much is the speed difference can we expect between the UFS 3.1 versus UFS 2.1. And in case if you want to download this live wallpaper, which is very good, and try to check the links in description. There is a playlist and there you can find these live wallpapers. Don't forget to check the links in description, friends, for more in-depth videos on the smartphones. And first application I'll try to use is that Android Bench application, so which right now I'll try to test in both phones at same time. And before that, let me even show you the exact CPU and memory of this both phones. As I said, as you can see here, UFS 2.1 versus UFS 3.1, you can clearly see the difference here, how much it is. So you might be thinking just only one version is there, difference is there, but that's not the case. There will be significant in terms of the improvement will be there if there is UFS 3.1. So let's see, friends, how much difference will it makes. So let me try to start the test at same time. So let's see which phone will actually finish the test faster. So you will get to know the UFS 3.1 versus the UFS 2.1. So in this scenario, you can actually see the difference. So let me, as you can see, friends, the Poco F2 Pro finished the test slightly faster than the Realme X7 Pro device. So let me try to decrease the brightness. So I'll try to compare. The first one is the sequential read speed. So 1600 versus 1000, you can see here, and 700 versus 500 sequential write speeds, and random read, they both are same, write also same. And here you can see 4000 versus 3000 and 5000 3000. And as you can see, friends, so mostly we will try to see only on the top two options in case if you want to see about the read and write speeds. So read and write speeds are, as you can see, how much difference is there between both smartphones. So there is not much significant difference. I did expect to be a little bit more. So there is other application which I'll try to do testing as well, CPDT, as you can see. So this is the application which I'll be testing right now. So let's see what the results will be there if you use this kind of application. And in case if you want to know more details about this Realme X7 Pro, try to check the links in description for the playlist of the Realme X7 Pro. You can find very good, amazing videos on this Realme X7 Pro, which is very good. So try to check the links in description, which will be very much useful for you all in case if you're planning to buy this Realme X7 Pro before the launch date. You can actually decide whether to buy or not. So that's why I'm trying to make so many videos on this Realme X7 Pro as soon as possible. And even I did the battery draining test as well. So stay tuned for that videos as well. So right now you can see, friends, the first is that write speed. So write speed is kind of very close to each other, 439 versus the 370. And sequential read speeds, you can see 1 GB BS speeds versus the 487 MB speeds. So you can see here clearly, and 32, 37, and 24, 32, and 10 Gbps and 9.96 Gbps. So there is not much significant difference, friends, even though there is not much difference here, even though the UFS 2.1 is present in the Realme X7 Pro, as you can clearly see here. So this is the overall read and write speed test comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Poco F2 Pro. And in case if you want to know more details about this mobile phones, try to check the links in description. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.